The global value chain behind Christmas decorations involves multiple stages. I'm going to talk about a little bit where Christmas ornaments are made and how companies face challenges of global production. Most Christmas decorations and ornaments are produced in China, especially in cities like Yiwu, and they are made in large factories with thousands of employees. These workers produce ornaments, lights, and other items at a low cost. The global value chain for Christmas decorations involves multiple stages like raw material extraction, production, packaging, distribution, retail, selling, etc. They gather raw materials like plastic and glass, and then they mold and assemble and paint, and the finished products are shipped to different countries. Different actors participate at each stage. They have manufacturers, distributors, logistics companies, e-commerce platforms, and people that transport the products. Santa's workshop is in China because they have a lot of cost-effective labor. The supply chains are well established and they have a huge manufacturing infrastructure. Small companies can compete by focusing on niche markets, by offering high quality products or handmade products, and also emphasizing on sustainability. And they can reach global competitors by using digital marketing or e-commerce platforms. Walmart doesn't have its own supply chain because they focus more on distribution and retail instead of production. And this is because they want just to focus on a single thing, and this provides flexibility and cost savings. Offshoring small companies allows big companies to reduce risks and reduce costs and increase efficiency. Walmart faces a lot of risks by managing a long chain because one step can affect the entire chain, and it can happen a lot of things like lost quality control, delays, or any like bad production, and this can lead to financial losses. In 2021, the pandemic caused a lot of shipping delays and disruptions and also factory shutdowns, and this forced the retailers to stock items on March, and that's why in the article it said that Christmas was on March because they wanted to avoid shortage. By 2022, there were also a lot of supply chain problems like shortages and factory shutdowns, and also China had a zero COVID policy that could make it difficult for factories. And for by 2023, there were also a lot of problems like inflation or political tensions that this could lead to shortages and losses in all the companies. The risk of closing cities in China by 2022 because of the zero COVID policy was huge. Companies had to look for alternative suppliers or increase stocks in order to avoid shortages. For Walmart, to ordering earlier helps to mitigate risks but doesn't solve the problem at all. They have to invest in local warehouses and also find alternative suppliers. Walmart could build its own factories, but I think it's expensive and it can reduce the flexibility that they already have. So a better solution for them is to keep maintaining strategic partnerships with reliable manufacturers. Relocating the production outside China, like in other parts of Asia or US or Europe, could be more expensive because labor production costs are way cheaper in China, so it can be non-beneficial for them. The consumption pattern for US consumers have changed a little. They shifted more to online shopping and they want more high quality products. They prefer the durable ornaments rather than disposable ones. Similar trends are seen in Latin America due to the presence of US retailers, and we are being influenced by US consumers. We are more environmentally aware of the things. We have a thing for eco-friendly products, so yes, but I think that here in Latin America we are more we have more price sensitivity for the products than in US. In conclusion, the decorations and ornaments produced in China involve a really high complex process. The pandemic and the policies in China, like the zero COVID policy, have been making companies to rethink about their sourcing strategies. In the future, supplier diversification and a better logistical planning will be key for companies to mitigate all these risks.